Have you ever wondered which olive oil truly deserves the title of Best in 2024? With so many brands and types on the market, picking the right one can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we've sifted through the options to bring you the top 5 extra virgin olive oils that stand out from the rest. Stick around to find out what makes these oils so special and how they can take your cooking to the next level. What makes olive oil so beneficial? It's rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, including omega-3, omega-6, and oleic acid, which are essential for various biochemical functions in the body, such as brain health. How to choose the best olive oil. With many olive oil brands available, including those from Greece, California, and Italy, it can be challenging to know which is best. The oils vary in size, price, and labeling, such as extra virgin, pure, or refined. How to identify extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil? To find genuine extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil, look for a harvest date. Since olive oil is essentially a fruit juice, it loses its freshness over time and can spoil after about 18 months. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Stick around to find out what makes these oils so special and how they can take your cooking to the next level. Now, here are the top 5 best olive oil options, along with their prices and user reviews. Number 5. Atlas Organic Cold Pressed Moroccan. Extra virgin olive oil comes from Morocco and is known for its high levels of healthy compounds called polyphenols. These come from the dry climate where the olives are grown. The oil has a unique flavor and aroma, with hints of ripe bananas, apples, and tomatoes. This makes it a great addition to salads or cooked dishes, enhancing their taste. Priced at $20.41 for a 17 fluid ounce 500 milliliter bottle, it's packaged in a dark glass bottle to protect it from light, which can spoil the oil. With 11,053 global ratings and an impressive 85% of users giving it 5 stars, customers rave about its excellent quality and versatility for the price. One reviewer said, "I've never been an olive oil fan, but this olive oil has a great taste." Atlas Organic Olive Oil has won several awards for its quality, showing that it's a top-notch product. However, some customers have reported receiving bottles that are close to their expiration date. Number 4. Partanna Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It is a budget-friendly choice that stands out for its quality and unique packaging. Hailing from Sicily, this oil is made exclusively from 100% Nocellara del Belice olives, which are harvested in the province of Trapani. The olives are cold-pressed within hours of picking to ensure freshness and flavor. Priced at $32 for a 17 fluid ounce 500 milliliter tin, it is presented in a beautifully designed tin, making it an attractive gift option. It has a distinctive pizzicato flavor profile, characterized by notes of artichokes, almonds, and a peppery finish. This makes it versatile for various culinary uses, such as cooking, dressing salads, or dipping bread. Partanna Extra Virgin Olive Oil is certified kosher and non-GMO, with both a harvest date and an expiration date clearly marked on the tin. This transparency adds to its appeal for health-conscious consumers. With 2,453 global ratings and 82% of users giving it 5 stars, customers appreciate its high-quality olive oil experience at an affordable price, making it a popular choice for everyday cooking and special occasions alike. However, some reviews have noted issues with the pouring mechanism of the tin, which can be difficult to manage. Despite this minor drawback, Partanna remains a top choice for those seeking authentic, high-quality olive oil. Third on the list is California Olive Ranch 100% Extra Virgin Olive Oil, is celebrated for its mild, buttery flavor and versatility in cooking. Produced by Californian farmers, this oil is sourced from olives grown not only in California but also in Argentina, Chile, and Portugal. Its smooth taste makes it suitable for a variety of cooking methods, including sautéing, baking, and salad dressings. California Olive Ranch Extra Virgin Olive Oil is certified non-GMO, kosher, paleo, keto, and vegan-friendly. making it a suitable choice for various dietary preferences. The oil's production process ensures that it retains its natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, enhancing its health benefits. Priced at $12.88 for a 500 milliliter or 17 fluid ounce bottle, it is a budget-friendly option for health-conscious consumers. With over 1,555 global ratings and an 85% 5-star rate, customers appreciate the quality and practicality of this olive oil. One reviewer shared, "I just plain like California Olive Ranch olive oil. I use it primarily for salads. Fond of marinated kale. I love the flavor." Overall, California Olive Ranch 100% extra virgin olive oil is an excellent addition to a balanced diet, offering both flavor and nutritional advantages. On number 2 is Olive & Company Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Known for its light, smooth flavor, making it a great choice for cooking and everyday use. With a low acidity level of 0.2%, it has a gentle taste that works well in salads, marinades, and light frying. This olive oil is celebrated for its health benefits, including supporting heart health, acting as a natural anti-inflammatory, being rich in antioxidants, and containing high levels of healthy fats. It has won gold awards in prestigious competitions in New York, Los Angeles, and Italy, highlighting its exceptional quality. Priced at $24.99 for a 1-liter bottle, it provides high quality at a reasonable price. Olive & Company Extra Virgin Olive Oil meets important standards such as USDA Organic, Non-GMO, and Kosher, meaning it is made from organic, non-genetically modified olives and adheres to strict quality guidelines. The brand also prioritizes sustainability by working to reduce its carbon footprint. With 1,028 customer reviews and 82% of users giving it 5 stars, it is highly regarded by consumers. One reviewer, TNME, shared, "This oil is a great all-purpose olive oil that has won awards. It is mild with no peppery taste, but has good flavor." On the top of this is PAESANOL Extra Virgin Olive Oil. It is an unfiltered oil that stands out for its vibrant green color and unique flavor profile, featuring a spicy and herbaceous taste. This olive oil has a track record of excellence, having won 2 gold medals at the 2006 and 2005 LA County Fairs and receiving multiple awards at other prestigious competitions. It is also certified USDA Organic, ensuring that it meets strict standards for production without synthetic chemicals or genetically modified organisms. Priced at $30.95 for a 1-liter bottle, it offers high quality for those seeking a premium olive oil. PAESANOL is made from a blend of 3 Sicilian olive varieties: Nocellara, Del Belice, Terrazuola, and Biancolilla. The olives are hand-picked and cold-pressed within hours of harvesting, preserving their freshness and flavor. With 1,176 customer reviews and 84% of users giving it 5 stars, it is highly rated for its quality and flavor. One satisfied customer, Joseph C., commented, "Good quality and great taste. Robust and consistent flavor. Accents whatever you put it on. A pro olive oil." If you enjoyed this countdown of the top 5 olive oils for 2024, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more food and cooking content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried any of these oils, or do you have a favorite that didn't make the list? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect olive oil to elevate your cooking and improve your health. Stay tuned for more top picks, kitchen tips, and culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy the rich flavors of premium olive oil.